what's the theory behind dance movement therapy?
So dance movement therapy looks at the connection between the mind and the body and how one can really impact the other.
Okay.
The other really powerful thing about movement is that it provides us just a different endpoint to exploring different experiences. For example, in areas of trauma, when we're in a traumatic event, the part of the brain that's to do with verbal processing actually turns off.
Yeah, right.
So working with something like the body gives us another in order to be able to unpack some of these experiences.
Yeah, which makes sense because often when you're in a traumatic situation, you have no words for that.
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
Yeah.
How does movement and connecting to our bodies actually help us to process things?
So if you think about emotions, they're physiological processes that happen in our body. And so sometimes we can lose touch with this felt sense, but it doesn't mean those emotions have gone away. They're still very much alive and active and occurring in our body.
And we carry them.
Absolutely. Yeah. So it's really helpful for us to be able to look at some of these feelings and these things that are happening in our body in a really safe and scaffolded way, so that these things don't come out in other ways that we would prefer that they didn't.
So it's another form, like therapy traditionally uses words, but this is a way of finding the words through movement.
Absolutely.